Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to take a look at how to repair our UMD discs. And these are the universal media discs for the PlayStation Portable. And I got quite a few that need some repair, and some just need an upgrade. Like this one's pretty used up, and this one is the Ape Escape Academy. Whoever had this had a good time playing with this game because it's really used up. And just some I bought in auctions that didn't arrive 100%, like this one. This is called Wipeout Pure, and this is just completely falling apart on me. So we're going to take a look at these UMD repair kits that I purchased off Amazon, and you can buy them using the link in the description down below. So here are the repair UMD cases, and I purchased these off Amazon, and they were about $12 for a pack of 10, which is not bad. So there are two parts to the repair. There's the top side, and here is the bottom side, and this is where the driver would read the disc through this little window here. And these are fairly easy to put together. They're just a couple of clips. So I will take the Wipeout Pure here, and I'm just going to be very careful. That is so cool. Look at that little disc. That is awesome. And this one is a little bit dirty, and you don't want to clean any of these discs with a dirty towel or without a microfiber cloth, because you will scratch them and make them worse. When it comes to cleaning your discs, you want to use a microfiber cloth, and I'm using an all-purpose cleaner, and it's pretty safe to use on all surfaces. So I'm just lightly going over and making sure all those nasty spots are removed. And for me, this works. There are kits out there that are exclusively for cleaning discs, but if you don't have a kit, or you're just don't have anything available right away, you can just use a microfiber cloth, and they're sold in pretty much every store. Like the dollar store or Menards or Home Depot. And the all-purpose cleaner that I'm using is just one I bought at Target. So yeah, let's put this disc in here, and here is the bottom piece. So we're just gonna put that on there, and there should be a spot for the center disc to kind of sit on. So you'll see here and they should snap together easily on each corner. And you want to make sure you press around the edges. That way everything locks in tight, snugly. And that is pretty much it, guys. They're fairly simple to put together, and once you get them on there, you know, it does take a little bit more pressure to pull them apart. But once you have these two clipped on, you should be good to go. And now, moving forward, you can take care of your discs and no longer worry about them being damaged. And so let's give this a shot, shall we? Here's my Wipeout Pure. Sits in there perfectly. Very nice. And let's see. There is our UMD. Good as new. So there's one done. One game I really wanted to repair was my Scarface disc, and this one has kind of gone through a lot of beating throughout the years here of owning it, and it's just been kind of tossed around here and there, and this part just is not working, so I just want to get this one fixed up. And then when it comes to taking these apart, I suggest starting from the top, and then you can just remove it like this, but make sure you don't scratch the bottom of the disc, and you could just slide that out. These little discs are kind of cute. They're so tiny, like for tiny little people with little DVD discs. And here is my microfiber cloth, and I'm just gonna wipe this down, kind of remove some of the smudges and the dirt and stuff that just kind of sits on there after a while. And that's the reason why you want to keep these in their cases, because they won't, you know, get dusty and thrown around and scratched up and stuff like that. So here's the bottom piece, and I'm making sure that the clips are facing up, obviously. This should sit in there like that, very snug. Grab my top piece and make sure that these bottom two clip just like that, guys. And from there you can just press around the edges, and that's pretty much it. And this guy is solid, ready to go. Super stoked on that. Pretty custom, huh? Too bad there's not a company out there that makes custom UMD disc covers. Maybe I'll have a manufacturer out there help me create some custom ones, but for me, I like the clear casing rather than the original, because the white kind of just is a distraction, and you can appreciate the art of each disc and how small they are. So that's great. And that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Any questions, comment down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video in the future. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys on the next one.